Hello guys, welcome back to another review video. In this video, we'll review Oxygen OS 11 Open Beta 5 for OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro. I've been using Oxygen OS Open Beta 5 from the day it was released. And after watching this video, you guys can decide if you want to migrate to beta channel from stable channel, or if you're already on Open Beta 4, should you update to Open Beta 5 or not. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. In this video, we won't be covering the changelogs. If you want to check out the new additions done on Oxygen OS Open Beta 5, you can find the video in the I button or description below. There were few major bugs available on Open Beta 4 and still available on stable version of Oxygen OS. First one was related to YouTube orientation, and this bug has been fixed on the latest beta, which is Beta 5. Now we don't face any kind of issues related to orientation. And the second issue was related to messaging app, in which we were not able to set up the smart messaging service, but that's again have been fixed by OnePlus, and which is no more available on Open Beta 5. In Open Beta 5 changelogs, OnePlus have mentioned that they have fixed the delay arrival of text message. But as per my experience, I've been using this build from almost 3 days. I still have that issue. So if you guys are facing that issue, do let me know in the comment section below. And most of the users are still reporting issues related to full screen navigation. But till now, I haven't found any kind of issues with my navigation gestures. If you are still facing that issue, try to downgrade your launcher to the previous version, or for the time being, use third-party launcher. Bluetooth scanning is still a bug, so whenever you turn off these features like Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning automatically gets turned on after some time, wherein that doesn't happen with Wi-Fi scanning. Users also had complaints regarding alarms. I've not personally tested on the previous build, but on this build I don't face any kind of issues with my alarm. It properly works, and I can also delete them one by one. Another issue was related to gallery, in which people were not able to see images, and in some cases images used to take a lot of time in loading, but that's not the case on this Open Beta 5. If you guys are still facing the issue, then you can update to the latest version of gallery, which is 4.0.120. On the previous update of stable channel and beta channel, Widevine CDM security level was downgraded, which was L3, but on this update it has been fixed and now security level is L1. Few users are still facing issues related to screen flashing while unlocking the device with fingerprint unlock. So guys, I would suggest you to format your device once, because till now I haven't faced any kind of screen flashing issues while unlocking my device with fingerprint or face unlock. So if you guys haven't performed a factory reset, make sure to do that after taking a backup of your device. And few users were also complaining about screen flashing while switching between dark mode and normal mode. But that's not the case on Open Beta 5. So guys, these are the few issues which people were facing on the previous update of Oxygen OS 11. And now let's talk about the camera part. If you compare the camera version with the previous update, there are no changes done. Current version on latest Open Beta is version 5.6.46, and the same version is available on Beta 4. Only one addition they have done related to camera, in which they have changed the animation of front camera, and that you can see on the camera circle. Now you can see a green light on the circle of the camera followed by a dot. I don't see any major improvements in the camera on this latest update. Here are some pictures clicked after the update where I don't find any noticeable change on Beta 5. Oxygen OS 11 camera does a decent job in good lighting condition. Front camera need few improvements when it comes to portrait mode. Night photography is still not that great. Night photos were clicked with tripod mode. Basically, I don't have any complaints related to camera, but yes, OnePlus can still improve camera quality. Now let's also talk about the battery. Battery backup is decent on latest build of Oxygen OS Open Beta 5. So here is the battery backup, what I have been getting. With the first cycle, I got around 3 hours and 59 minutes with heavy gaming of 3 hours and 34 minutes. On second cycle, I got 4 hours and 58 minutes of screen on time with gaming of around 1 hour and 15 minutes along with my normal usage. Talking about the battery drain overnight, initially I noticed slight extra battery drain compared to the Beta 4. On day 1 with ideal conditions, I noticed around 8% of battery drain. On day 2, I noticed 4% of battery drain throughout the night. Overall battery backup is good on Beta 5, and with overtime I also noticed improvements in overnight battery drain. So in terms of battery, it's a good update. But still, you guys let me know your screen on time in the description below. And as I always say in my videos, that battery backup will be different for every individual depending on their usage. Last but not the least, let's also check the performance and gaming on Open Beta 5. First, let me show you the RAM usage on this current build. So here is the RAM usage, in which I'm getting around 5.4 to 5.8 of RAM usage on my device. On the previous build, the RAM usage was in between 5.2 to 5.6, and this also depends on your usage pattern. I'm showing it because my usage is bit high. And when it comes to performance wise, I don't see much issues. Device was easily able to run PUBG Mobile at 90 FPS, but I personally noticed some kind of weird issues with gyroscope. While playing PUBG, my phone was kept still, but my character was moving. I was not able to record that thing, but it was only once. After that, I did not face such kind of issue. And OnePlus also added a new feature in their gaming toolbox, which is called rewind recording. And this can record a 30-second of your movement if you're not recording the entire match. But I have been facing issues on this. So let me show you a few of my recordings, and here you can see there were some good moments in the game which I tried to record, and you can see the recording time is 0 seconds. You guys also let me know in the comment section below whether you are facing the same issue or not, because for me I tried multiple times where it showed me that video has been saved to gallery, and where you can see a single clip of 1 second. After that there's nothing. So guys, this was my complete review on Oxygen OS 11 Open Beta 5 for OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro. I would say this is the best build till now of Oxygen OS 11. So if you guys want less bugs, good battery and also good performance, then you can migrate to Beta 5, or you can wait for the stable version which will be similar to Beta 5, and hopefully we might get to see stable update in this coming week. As of now, only this much in this video. Hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.